Jewel, are you gonna go to the store again for me?
Yeah.
Can you take your shopping cart and go to the store, Beauty?
Yeah.
Oh, the bubbles are yours? Jewel, your shopping cart's over here, girl.
I see W.
Oh, let me see W.
No.
Okay.
I see W.
Oh, Julia's gonna pick up Mr. Elmo.
I see W phone. I see W.
Jewel, do you want to put Elmo in the shopping cart?
Yeah.
Okay, he's over here, girl. Right there.
Or shopping cart.
There it is. Oh, it has Piggy Puppet and Baby in it. Okay, Jewel, Elmo can sit on Baby's lap. Jewel, Elmo can sit on Baby's lap, Jewel. Oh, he sits on Mommy's lap?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Mr. Elmo. You're going to sit with Mommy.
Boom.
Oh, he has bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay. Does Mr. Elmo know how to blow bubbles? Does Mr. Elmo know how to blow bubbles?
What W for? What W for?
It's in the basement. Oh, Mr. Elmo's going to blow some bubbles. Good boy, Mr. Elmo. And can we pop, pop, pop them? Pop, pop, pop. More bubbles. More bubbles for Mr. Elmo. Are you going to let Mr. Elmo blow some of your bubbles? Oh, good boy. Wow, Mr. Elmo must be a good bubble blower because everyone's letting him blow bubbles. All right, Jewel, can you push your shopping cart again? Because I need some milk at the store. Jewel, I need some milk at the store. No, I guess it's bubble time, huh? You can't put the W in the bubble container. It's not going to fit.
Try, Mommy. Try. No, try.
All right, give it to me. See, it doesn't fit, Big John. It's too big. See? It doesn't fit. It's too big.
I'll fit.
Oh, Julia's going to open up her bubbles.
I'll fit, Mommy.
And she's going to let Mr. Elmo play.
Mommy, I'll play.
Can Mr. Elmo blow some bubbles, Jewel?
No.
No. All right, are you going to put him in the shopping cart?
Yeah.
No. Is he going to sit on Mommy's lap?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's my shopping cart?
It's over there.
Where?
Over there.
Where?
Right behind Julia. I see it.
Oh.
Julia's blowing bubbles. Good girl. I don't think you're supposed to put it in your mouth, Beauty.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are?
Shopping cart.
Out. Good girl.
In.
No, not in.
Out.
Out. Good
Where's
girl.
my shopping cart?
Hey, now we got two monkeys with bubble wands in their mouth. Hey, what's going on here? Hey, what's going on here? We got two monkeys with bubble wands in their mouth. Uh-oh.
In.
Yep, put it back in. Good girl.